Thank you. As America's population ages, a problem is brewing in hospitals and doctors' offices all around the country. News 4 Tucson's Sean Mooney has more on how the increased demand has resulted in a shortage of physicians, and it's only expected to get worse.
That shortage hits close to home right here in Arizona as the number of new physicians continues to decline and the state tries to come up with new ways to attract new doctors. Christopher Liu was drawn to medicine at a young age as a Mormon missionary.
I was here in the U.S. and was seeing a lot of elderly members of our congregations, and so a lot of them had multiple medical problems and would talk to us about them.
He was a chemistry major but decided to use his science background to help people, changing paths to attend medical school.
What do you have for me?
Today, 29-year-old Liu is training to fill an important and growing physician shortage in America, which could be as many as 122,000 doctors short by 2032 in both primary and specialty care, according to the Association of American Medical Colleges. America's aging population, coupled with doctor retirements and a lack of available residency slots for those graduating medical school, are pressuring the system. Experts say team-based care, smarter technology, deployment, and an increase in federal funding for residency programs would help to ease the shortage.
The challenge of having enough residency positions really comes down to having enough resources to support training at teaching hospitals across the country in communities big and small.
Liu is a first-year resident at the Abrazo Health Hospital System in Greater Phoenix, which recently added 2 new residency programs to attract physicians to train in the state. Liu says the best part of this phase of training is getting to help patients, including the older population that first inspired him.
The most rewarding part is talking to patients and just seeing them progress.
Arizona alone is short some 600 primary care doctors today, a number that is expected to grow to nearly 2,000 in the next decade. Sean Mooney, News 4 Tucson.